You will never get the right answer from ChatGPT. You'll get something quite close, but it'll never be exactly what you're looking for. Let's imagine that I want to come up with an idea for a superhero movie, and it will produce something which looks realistically like it might be a movie, but in reality it's not quite right. So what can I do? Instead of just asking for one thing, ask for options. The good thing about asking for options is that you can keep asking for more and more of them. I could sit here for the next hour. As I start to see them, it can make me think about extra bits of information. The movie will be set in Wales. I can then say, give me 10 variants of the fifth one. And in this way, you can start to wander through idea space and start off broadly and then eventually narrow it down to the thing that you were actually looking for all along.